just real thick like.
YouTube, I'm bald. Let's start the day. Today we're gonna go see Janna's dad. We're gonna go to Target and we're gonna smoke this. Hold on, right here. And probably cook some food. This is a hash hole, Burning Rope Farms. It's got 1.5 grams of flour, 0.5 of rosin. Let's do it. I know I'm bald, man. Stop talking about it, dude. I had a little Britney Spears moment. Roast me in the comments if you don't like the bald Tim version. All right, Target, let's do it. Maybe I can find a beanie for my bald head. All right, we're back in the kitchen. We're making a very, very simple, literally egg, potato, some refried beans for me, some mushrooms for Janna. I don't like mushrooms, she doesn't like beans. Breakfast burrito. Today we're also going to cook another HelloFresh meal. Thank you to anybody that used that code. I appreciate you guys. Maybe we'll have another one in the future. And then we're gonna smoke this giant hash hole. So let's get into the video, man. Let's cook.
Fresh bottle. Oh, it comes with a little spout thingy. That's cool.
Pepper, pepper, pepper.
I was just saying that in my head. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Juicy.
Now, I didn't tell you guys we were making the world's most expensive breakfast burrito today. We got eggs in them, baby. You know it. These motherfuckers are expensive right here. This is probably more than gold. So we got some most expensive breakfast burrito going down right now. We're probably put 4 eggs in this thing, man. Yeah, I said it, 4. All right, we're gonna add the onions and the mushrooms in here, get a little salt and pepper action, get these sauteed up, and then we're gonna go ahead and start cooking these eggs. All right, you know I gotta get you a little sizzle action. All right, let's get these eggs cracked and whipped. Now normally I'd add milk and a little bit of cheese in here, but we are out of milk. We're gonna just put cheese on top of our breakfast burritos. I'll add some salt and pepper into these eggs, and then we're gonna add these into our mushrooms and onions. Super simple today, super simple. We'll get a little more crazy on lunch or dinner tonight. Let's go. All right, the potatoes are potatoing. Whoa, I just like zoomed all the way in, but they're looking scrumptious. Let's get these eggs rocking. Timing should be perfect. All right, let's get these eggs rocking. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in, a little bit more salt and pepper. Come on, let's eat. I just realized I'm getting mushrooms in my burrito because I missed all the eggs with the mushrooms and the onions, so I'm getting mushrooms in mine too. Oh well, what are we gonna do? All right, eggs are coming to completion. Potatoes, 1 minute. Got some refried beans for me. All we need to do is warm up some tortillas. The only thing that sucks is we got this damn electric thing and not a gas-powered stove, so we gotta warm those up in a pan. It's a nightmare. Tortillas are rocking. Potatoes are air fried. Eggs are egged. That's like a brick of gold right here, so you guys better be impressed with this. Look at that. That's like $4 trillion. I got Jeff Bezos' bank account. So, all right, let's make these burritos.
Situation. That's a lot of egg.
This is the most important. This is the key right here.
Thank you, good sir.
YouTube, let's take a dab together. We just cooked breakfast. Now we're getting ready to go out to Jana's dad's house to spend some time, just a little family Sunday. Maybe we're gonna take this joint and smoke it somewhere in the San Fernando Valley. Probably not, though. We'll probably smoke it back here. Let's get this sesh going. Cheers if you're smoking along. All right, we need a little Turk Pearl action. Thank you guys for watching the YouTube vlogs. We're going to be doing a lot more of this cooking vlog type thing. So thank you. Big cheers if you're seshing right now. Hopefully YouTube doesn't block it. I think we got it down where we're deep enough in the videos where we do this. Cheers, y'all. Let's get to the valley. Driving montage. Let's go. All right, we just left Jana's dad's, had a good little hangout with the fam. Now we're gonna make the drive back home and have a little sesh. I think we might get some food too because we haven't eaten. And I don't know if we're gonna wanna cook tonight, but maybe, we'll find out. If we're gonna get some fast food or if we're gonna cook dinner, you guys will know because you're gonna be watching. So I'll see you guys in a second. Oh, yes, we made it home. I know we got gifts. All right, we made it home. We're waiting for our pizza delivery. Today was excited. Thank you. Pizza delivery coming right now. We got some sourdough pizza. We'll show you guys, and then we'll do a live stream and smoke. Let's go. Oh, man, we got Papa Steve's bitch ass in here. Hopefully my stuff is blurred right here. Ooh, baby. Let's go. Jana's starving. It's been a long day. We're watching her new YouTube video as well. Link in the description. Today you get no pizza. We're going to eat this, and then we're going to go smoke this hash hole. Yeah, Papa Steve's. Let's see what you got.
Oh, it's real thick, like. That's fun. It's actually really fun, good.
I think I'm going to save this joint for like a hot box vlog, and I'm going to rip some dabs with you guys. So let's open up a brand new jar of this peanut butter breath tier 3. Let's take a dab and start the stream. Let's go. All right, we're cooling down on this dab, man. Let's go. Let's open up this peanut butter breath. Don't know what to believe. Yo. Ooh. Hopefully this is still warm enough. Ooh, it's warm. It's way too warm. Look. Little warp. Ooh. Oh, man. All right, we just ended the stream. Shout out to all the stream fam, man. If you guys don't know, we live stream on Twitch almost every day. Thanks for watching the YouTube video. If you guys like the cooking stuff, you know what to do. If you don't like it, well, tell me in the comments and I'll do something different. But I really enjoy the cooking stuff. It's super fun. I think everybody's really enjoying it. We'll cook some more food on the next episode. Peace.